Namaskar. In place of going from small things, small examples, I am ready to talk about a seed form to save our health, humanity, and the universe. We will talk about specific things about health, but the bigger thing, the vast thing to save this humanity and universe is needed first of all. Because till we don't have that seed, that ancient science, that concrete route or path, we can't do anything. हमें छोटी छोटी चीज़ों को, छोटी छोटी एग्जाम्पल को हेल्थ के बारे में और चीज़ों के बारे में बताना है, लेकिन उसके साथ हमें बड़े पैमाने के ऊपर इस यूनिवर्स को, इस ह्यूमैनिटी को बचाने की कोशिश करनी है। और उसके लिए हमें एक सीड चाहिए, एक ऊर्जा चाहिए जो एक सीड का काम करे और पूरे का पूरा सिस्टम क्रिएट कर दे हमारे अंदर। Only small examples, no doubt we need that, we will give that. But along with that, we need a bigger thing to touch the benefit of this universe and humanity. These things are very complex, very serious, and very easy also. So what we have to do for health, to save this universe from the dangerous, damaging forces, and humanity, to save the universe from the dangerous forces, to save our health, to save our humanity, we should know one science. That is a science, that is an ancient science given by the rishis and the scholars of thousands of years back. They gave that science to run this universe in a very compact, very reasonable, very nice manner. But there are forces, destructive forces on this planet Earth. They wanted to discard that and kept it away. हमें वो एंशंट चीज़ों को जो ऋषि मुनियों ने दी, उनको पकड़ना है, जो कि दुनिया को डिस्ट्रक्ट करने वाली फोर्सेस ने परे कर दी, देखने ना दिया. Then they monopolize this world, those destructive forces. So we need to touch those, उन बीजों को टच करना है जो हमें पूरी की पूरी लाइफ में हेल्थ, यूनिवर्स और ह्यूमैनिटी को सेव करने का तरीका दे दें. एंड व्हाट इज दैट? दैट इज वेदास, प्योर साइंस, complete science, complete facts of universe are embedded into those Vedas, 4 Vedas, and then the Upanishads, the extract of that, or you can call that Vedanta, Upanishads or Vedantas. These are the extract of the Vedas. If we come to know about these Vedas and Upanishads, their extract, and a chapter is opened in our mind, we are done. We are very successful. No ifs and buts. Guaranteed. Inject this in your families, in your friends, in anybody you touch. Give them, then see the same shape of the universe that is needed, and the destructive destructive forces kept that away from humanity. They make that hidden. So, हमें वेदास को, उपनिषदास को जानना है, जितना भी जान सकें उसका एक सीड रूप, एक बीज रूप अपने यहाँ पे डाल देना है. देन द स्मॉल एग्जाम्पल्स, छोटी छोटी बातें हैं कि ये खाइए, वो खाइए, ये करिए, वो तो होंगी ही होंगी, लेकिन दिस Vedas and Upanishads will give a backbone in our system of thought. ये जो हैं वेदास एंड उपनिषदास का एक्सट्रैक्ट जो है वो हमारी रीढ़ की हड्डी बन के हमारे जीवन को चमका देगा, पूरे यूनिवर्स को चमका देगा, पूरी ह्यूमैनिटी को बचा देगा, और हमारे पास एक रास्ता होगा, हमारी फैमिलीज के पास, हमारे बच्चों के पास जो टोटली मिसलेड हो चुके हैं, टोटली. कीप इट इन माइंड. मोस्ट ऑफ द स्कूल्स, highly paid schools, the with high fees and all that, they don't teach you that. So I am ready to open that chapter of Vedas, Upanishads, their extract in your mind, so that you can explore that more and more. I have no doubt I will do that. Whatever I can do to tell you, जो मैं कर सकूंगा वो मैं करूंगा, लेकिन आपके पास एक चैप्टर खुल जाएगा और आप उसको खुद भी एक्सप्लोर करेंगे. कुछ मैं बताऊंगा, कुछ आप जानेंगे, एंड यू विल बी ब्लेस्ड, guaranteed. No videos, I have seen videos, they are just telling you do this, eat this, but the seed is still missing. I am giving you seed, make it grow and make it a tree of adventure, health and prosperity. What is this seed? The Vedas and Upanishads. There are 108 Upanishads, but most of those are not explained, or they are hidden, or they are lost, or they are stolen, or something. But the very important, with explanations and all that, we have 11 Upanishads and 4 Vedas. Now these Upanishads are the extract of Vedic system, Vedas. So everything of this universe and health and humanity is coming to you when you go through those Upanishads. For example, the first Upanishad, Isha, tells you about I and he, we are connected. A human being and the supreme existence, they are one. How they are one? Because this body is similar to this functioning of this universe and planet, everything. So we can think on that. And then the second is Cain Upanishad, that talks about the empirical questions and the other questions which have proved things. Empirical, they are theoretical, and then there are conceptual. They have proved all that thing. They have questions on that. We can analyze these, and come to conclusions. Then the third is a Katho Upanishad that gives you the tattva, the elements, talk about elements of in our word. water, earth, sky, fire, and all that. We can think about that. Then the fourth is just like a prashno. Prashno means questions and all that. That is the name of the Upanishad. And then the few rishis talk to some higher rishi about some questions. And those questions are about the nature and the soul and the pranas and all that. Then that upper, the Guru Rishi, tell them to meditate for 1 year. Then you will come to know about all these things. So what I am doing, I am going to open a chapter of vastness, a seed of vastness in your mind. And similarly, the fifth one talks about the para and apara, that is the nature and the supreme existence. They talk about that. And the fifth talk about the Om. What is Om? Om is just like the super existence, supreme existence. Om is embedded with everything. A-U-M. A is the beginning, M is the measurement of the world, and U connects all these things. And then a platform. Then this platform is again standing on the other platform, bigger platform. It's a very complex subject. But we have seen, we can know more and more about this. Then the other next Upanishad talk about that this your prana, and then the next one talk about the Adi Adhyatmic, Adi Bhautik, and Adi Daivik. These three things, they talk about that. And then the other one again talks about the Chetana, the pranas and all that. So all these all these Upanishads talk about the extract of our thoughts. What should we think? Then we can go on knowing more and more about that. And this all route or this system or this thought in our mind can generate us like anything. It will give a spark. And then when you have that spark and thoughts, there will be very nice formation of juices within your body. And that gives you health. So now today we try to talk about the totality of the game. To not only saying eat this, do this. Keep a seed in your pocket. Keep a seed in your mind to make it grow and then see the vastness. No doubt we will be talking about the foods and all that and other things to empower ourselves. But these Upanishads and these Vedas are the real facts of this universe. And this will make us empowered. ये हमें और पावर देगी ताकि हम जो डिस्ट्रक्टिव फोर्सेस इनको परे कर रही हैं उनका भी इलाज कर सकें, उनको भी रोक सकें, उनको भी फिनिश कर सकें. That is a very complex subject of this time, this phase of life, the present time. That thing is also there. They don't let you do anything. They don't live, they don't let you live. So we should know in their favor also to make them wise and to know about health, universe, and humanity, and that needs a power. And this Vedic system, this Upanishads will get us a power to fight with those forces, to have a nice health, to have a nice drive, and all these things will make us earn more also. If the word is concerned about money, that will also follow, because when you are authentic, when you are mature, when you have health, then you are a king. And this thing is only for the people who are ready to save millions, because everybody is not going to touch this subject. And the people who touch this subject, they are gurus. They are saving their self along with many other. Only 1 out of 10 go through this, and then you have a duty to save those 9 who are miserable, who don't want to touch this, who want to lead a miserable life. That is our duty. And only the cream people, wise people, the wisdom-oriented people who will listen all these things, they will save millions more. So my videos are scientific, factual, and life-giving. Okay, 1 minute I will talk about English. Few of my friends, they don't know English, and I talk about them. And then just say, I'm going to take few sentences. Just like मैं Cincinnati में रहता हूँ. I live in Cincinnati. मेरा घर ग्लो कोर्ट पर है. My house is on ग्लो कोर्ट. मेरे घर के बाहर एक सड़क है. There is a road outside my house. मेरे घर के बाहर छोटा सा गार्डन है. I have a small garden outside. मेरे घर के पास एक हेलीकॉप्टर के उतरने की पैड है. So I have a helicopter landing pad near my house. मेरे घर के पास हॉस्पिटल है. I have a small hospital near my house. मेरे घर के पास एक पेट्रोल पंप है. I have a gas station or a petrol pump outside my house. So when we will start making these small sentences, we can write essay, we can be very good in English slowly. Namaskar, and keep in mind about the seed of Vedas, Upanishads, to empower this word and to save this word from the destructive forces who are very active nowadays. Thank you and namaskar.